Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Tuesday evening from the Brooklyn balcony. I figured, hey, we're going to go back to where it all began, right here on this Brooklyn balcony, for a little bit of inspiration, especially on this rainy day. You get to see downtown Brooklyn in the background. But guess what? The markets are closed. The Dow would continue to rise. And you know what time it is. It's well past that time. Actually, we're going to extend it. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for an extended happy hour here in the Big Apple. Ladies and gentlemen, U.S. stocks continuing to see a slight rise this Tuesday afternoon, led mostly in part to investors continuing to focus on oil prices ahead of tomorrow's key OPEC meeting, as well as key economic figures. As always, we're going to begin this session by talking about oil. That's right, front-month crude oil prices declining nearly 4% intraday to close just above $45 a barrel. This as OPEC is set to meet in Vienna, Austria on Wednesday, and as traders continue to be keeping a close eye on announcements regarding a possible oil production cut. Meanwhile, on the economic front, the second round of third quarter GDP coming in at an annualized rate of 3.2%, above a previous reading of 2.9%. Another data released today includes the S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller Index, which showed U.S. home prices gained a total of 5.5% in September. This all while consumer confidence for the month of November came in at a stronger read of 107.1, therefore paving the way for decliners to be just ahead of advancers approaching the closing bell, but for the most part, as you know, the Dow Jones closing on the upside. Let's take a look now to see how the markets have indeed shaped up to close out this, the second trading session of the week. And with a lack of corporate news to talk about today, you know I have to kick it old school. If you didn't know, now you do know. The New York Mets re-signing Yoenis Céspedes to a total of a 4-year deal. That's right. Let's go Mets. Next year is our year. You gotta believe. And with that stated, until tomorrow morning for Modern Wall Street saying, I'll see you all then. Stay dry, New York City. I'm James.